Welcome back to the back office. Today we're going to talk about something a little bit different. Over the last few videos we've been getting very technical on how to build a money-making website. Well, today we're going to talk about soft skills a little bit. I have been talking with people and I've been meeting with people, and one of the things I've come across is that I want to talk about is attitude. So, let's get started. Henry Ford of the Ford Motor Company once said that if you believe that you will succeed, or if you believe that you will fail, either way, you're right. And this is a key element that people don't realize. You have to believe that you're going to succeed. You have to have hope that you're going to succeed. Online marketing isn't always as easy as the gurus make it sound. It's a straightforward process, but it takes drive, it takes focus, it takes consistency. And if you have a defeating mindset, you're going to lose your ambition to move forward, and you will fail. Hope is the key element. But hope is an action word. It means that you have to do something. You have to take action. And the best way to do that isn't to just haphazardly run around out there and do whatever. Bounce here, bounce there. It's make a plan and stick to your plan. Evaluate your plan as you progress through it. Is this working? Make minor adjustments until you get yourself fully on track to where you need to be. And then rinse and repeat. Do it over and over again. But it is such a key element to have a mindset that you're going to succeed. Why is this? As you think about it and you ponder it and you ask yourself, well, that didn't work. What can I do next? And you try something new, your mind starts to engage with the different aspects of the business. And you start seeing solutions. And then you can prove out the solution. But sometimes you need to learn something. And your process of evaluating and moving forward can call that out. The other day, I wanted to learn how to learn. I wanted to learn how to do YouTube videos and stuff like that on a YouTube channel. I didn't know. So I got a book and I started reading. I wanted to learn how to do it. I learned about video editing. I learned about writing scripts. I learned about setup. And then I went forward and I did it. Was it a great success? Not to begin with. It's maybe not even a great success yet. But it's working. And if you will subscribe, I get just one step closer. Hey, doing something makes it better. It can give you hope. And hope can give you strength to continue on. That's the key of this message, is to have hope. To have a positive mindset. Look for the good in things. Don't just go, well, that was totally screwed up. It didn't do anything. I sent out $100 worth of ads and got nothing. Instead, go, hey, I now know that ad didn't work. So what was it, or what can I, or what should I adjust? And then adjust one thing at a time until you start seeing the results you're hoping for. And then when you see those results, do a bunch of it, and then continue to tweak just a little. Because it's a never-ending story. You're constantly moving forward. You're constantly adjusting. Because the world around you adjusts. Till we see you next time. Have hope. Believe in yourself. Believe in the system. And have faith that it'll work. See you next week. Don't forget, subscribe, like, and share. We'll see you next week. Bye.